So I will show you how to turn that into this. Dang, look at the reflection. I'm using the gimbal. All right, so this is what I'm gonna use. You can see it a little bit better now that the sun's out. I hope, maybe, that this is like really beat up. You see there's like leftover like bug marks and everything and stuff like that. So this is what I used last night, and this is what I'm gonna use today. So what I did is, obviously I washed it. It was all wrecked. This is via 3M. This is from 3M's website because this is a 3M wrap. This is satin wrap. So what they said is to wash it with hot water, use a citrus-based cleaner, and I'll put a screenshot of it of some of the citrus-based stuff that says to test it out with to do it. I use this one, being that it's a citrus-based cleaner, and use alcohol to refresh it because this thing absorbs water and moisture like crazy. So, you know, you can see that anything that digs into it, it makes its way onto it, is going to stay there. And it's really hard to get it off. I had really good luck last night with the Super Citrus. And I'm going to go ahead and give this a try too. I'm being that guy, and I'm going to use some chemical guy stuff. But I've had this for a while, and I don't like it. For the fact that when I use it to wash the car, it strips it of everything. And all your waxes, your sealants, anything, like it leaves the paint. Like I washed this last night with some, you know, regular soap, and you still feel it. It feels like it has like a glossy finish. It feels clean. With this stuff, it leaves the paint bare, which is not really what I wanted because there's no protection to it. You know, this is kind of a first step to clean it if you're gonna go ahead and use this one first and then go over it with a different gloss or a wax or whatever on top of it. But if you're solely gonna wash the car using this one, I wouldn't use it. So what I did, citrus wash gloss, I used that, and I put it in here. So, and I use I use really hot water. It freaking sucks, okay? It's hot. So I'm gonna give it a good wipe down over it. I'm gonna dry it up with one of those mats over there. After that, what I did last night is I used the applicator here with the citrus and kind of rubbed it in to the vinyl wrap, and that'll kind of like get any kind of more citrus acidic properties into the wrap a little bit more to bring out that grime. Then if it still doesn't look even the way I want it, I'm going to go over with alcohol. They do recommend 2 parts, I think 2 parts water to 1 part alcohol, whatever. This is already a 50-50 mix, so I'm going half and half with water and alcohol, isopropyl, whatever you want to call it. So let's get it. There, so this is after the citrus wash that got put on it. Rub in the citrus cleaner, clean it off with a damp rag, and then go over with alcohol. Now, I don't know if you can tell in the video, but there still are a few spots like around here, but overall compared to what it was before, and you can see on this side, it is a very big night and day difference from what it was. So outer 2 edges have already, this side has already been gone over once. I really hope that it can come out on video that the center looks really ashy, the outer 2 sides are already starting to come back.